Hello everyone! Today we will talk about why you should combine starch with dishwashing liquid. These two ingredients create a gentle cleaning paste that tackles stains without damaging surfaces. I'll tell you how to make it, how to store it properly, and where to use it. Starch is one of the best natural absorbents. It perfectly draws grease from any surface and fabric. Thanks to its structure, starch gently cleans without leaving scratches. It also polishes surfaces and neutralizes unpleasant odors. Another important advantage is that it is a natural, inexpensive and hypoallergenic product with no strong odor, making it safe even for use in homes with children or pets. Dishwashing liquid works a little differently. It contains ingredients that help water better penetrate dirt and lift it from the surface. Let's make a cleaning paste. We will need a small bowl. Pour 2 tablespoons of starch into it. Next, add the dishwashing liquid. Gradually, in small amounts, pour in about 1 tablespoon and stir. Then add another tablespoon and stir again. Add a third tablespoon. The result will be a sticky, viscous mass. Now dilute it with warm water. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons, a little at a time. If your dish soap is liquid, you may not need water at all. The result should be a paste similar to thick sour cream. Crystals that sit idle for a long time becomes covered in dust, and the patterns on frequently used dishes become clogged with grease, causing their shine to fade. Rinse the dishes with cool water. Use a damp sponge to scoop up some of the paste and begin cleaning. If the dirt is deeply embedded in the design, let the paste sit for 5 minutes. It will soften the dirt, then a soft brush will easily remove it. Rinse with cool water only, hot water is not suitable. The result is a sparkling crystal. All that's left to do is dry it with a towel. A grease stain isn't a reason to throw out your favorite piece of clothing. Blot the stain with a paper towel. Place something, like a plastic bag, under the fabric to prevent the stain from bleeding through. Wet the stain with water. To remove stains, mix 1 tablespoon of starch and the same amount of dish soap. For clothing, it is best to use a clear dish soap to avoid leaving stains. The paste should be thick. Apply it to the stain with a spoon or your hands. If there is any excess paste left, add a little water, stir and use immediately. If there is a lot left, simply scoop up the desired amount with a damp sponge. The paste will soften immediately. After 30 minutes, dampen the stain with warm water and gently rub it with your hands. Then machine wash or hand wash with laundry soap. The starch will absorb the grease without disturbing the fabric fibers, and the dish soap will complete the degreasing process. The sweater is now dry, and you can see the results. There is still an oil stain on the back because the grease has managed to penetrate the fabric. But on the front, the stain is gone. It's completely washed out. In a kitchen, stainless steel can be used for the hood, stove, refrigerator, or even furniture fronts. Apply a small amount of the paste to the surface with a damp sponge and wash with the soft side. The hard side will leave scratches. Starch is excellent at removing greasy residue, fingerprints, and stickiness without damaging the surface. If there are streaks on the stainless steel, clean strictly along them. The surface will come out perfectly clean without a single scratch. Glossy kitchen cabinets can also be safely cleaned with this paste. First, wipe the surface with a damp cloth. Then apply the paste with a soft sponge. For heavy soiling, let it sit for 5 minutes. If the cabinets are relatively clean, you can wash them right away. Remember, use only the soft side of the sponge, otherwise scratches will occur. After cleaning, go over the surface several times with a damp cloth to remove any remaining paste, and wipe the surface dry. If fabric is stuck to the sole plate of your iron or stains appear, this paste will also help. Apply it with a damp cloth to the cool sole plate of the iron. If the stain is heavy or there is carbon deposits, leave the product on for about 5 minutes. If the stains are small, you can clean them immediately. Remove any remaining paste with a damp cloth. Your iron's sole plate will be clean and smooth again. Soap scum, dirt, and limescale deposits from hard water on the bathtub. The paste handles this too without scratching the acrylic. Wet the bathtub surface with water. Apply the paste. Then sprinkle with a small amount of vinegar. This will help remove limescale. Using a damp sponge, soft side, spread the mixture evenly over the bathtub. For light stains, wash immediately. For heavy stains, let it sit for a few minutes. The bathtub will squeak from cleanliness, no limescale, no scratches. There you have it, friends. Just 2 simple ingredients and a ton of possibilities. Try making this paste and let me know in the comments where you used it. If you found the video helpful, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. See you soon!